Hey everyone, it's Syed Mustafa Jan here. You are watching Jan's studio. And right now, we're waiting for my best friend, Syed. Usman, he told me he's here in Ho Chi Minh City. Day, he was like, bro, I'm here, and we have to meet up. So, of course, I couldn't miss the chance. You know how it is waiting for friends, right? But I'm excited to see him before he heads off. It's been a while. All right, Syed, where are you, man? Let's see if he shows up soon. All right, guys, look who finally decided to show up. Syed. Usman, my best friend, has officially joined us. Yeah, yeah, I made it. Took me a while, but here I am. Took your time, huh? But it's all good, man. So now we're on a mission to find a good restaurant for dinner. It's Syed's last day here, so we've got to make it count. We're just walking around, trying to find a good spot. There are so many options in Ho Chi Minh City local spots. Street food, you name it. What are you in the mood for, Syed? Maybe something Indian? Indian food will be better sounds perfect. So I want to properly introduce you guys to Syed Usman. Best friend. We go way back, and we've done a lot of traveling together. In fact, back in 2016, we visited Sri Lanka and Malaysia together. Those trips were crazy, so many memories. Yeah, man, those were some of the best trips we've had. Sri Lanka was just beautiful, and Malaysia don't even get me started on. The food. Exactly. And then, just last year, in 2022, we visited Azerbaijan. That was another awesome trip. We've kind of made it a tradition to travel together whenever we can. So, yeah, Syed Usman and I have explored several places together, and it's always an adventure. Hopefully, we'll keep this going and add even more countries to our list. Alright, guys, the plan is set. We're heading to the Bend area now. There's this amazing spot called Tandoor Restaurant. It's perfect for some good Indian food, and we're definitely craving it tonight. Yeah, I've heard a lot about tandoor. I'm ready to dig into something delicious. And while we're heading there, just look at the nightlife. Here in Ho Chi Minh City, you've got bars, cafes, street vendors. It's buzzing with energy. Left, right, everywhere you look. The city is alive. The city really never sleeps, huh? It's like every corner has something going on. Our next stop, Tandoor. We're going to Tandoor restaurant and also enjoy the walk and soak in the city's energy on the way. Can't wait to show you the food when we get there. We are really enjoying this walk. Ikram, Mahmoud, Majid, Syed, and I enjoyed this walk. We are walking on the footpath and also enjoying the little shops. They are selling foods and soft drinks. Now we are going to Tandoor Restaurant, but we are enjoying the nightlife of Ho Chi Minh City. Amazing tonight. We're going on an adventure. We'll be exploring some amazing restaurants, checking out the nightlife, and wandering through some cool shops. So, let's dive right in. Tonight, we're going to the vibrant nightlife of Ho Chi Minh City. We'll explore some amazing shops along the way and discover the best spots to enjoy the evening. Let's go. The streets are alive with lights, sounds, and delicious smells. We're starting our night by checking out some local shops on the left and right. Now, we've worked up an appetite. We're heading to Tandoor Restaurant for some delicious Vietnamese food. Let's go. What a night. From delicious food to lively markets and amazing nightlife, Ho Chi Minh City never disappoints.
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त
This is my best friend, Syed Usman Malik, tour partner, and we deeply know each other, and we have many for it together.
लेकिन मिल गई फिर भी क्योंकि जो है वो मेरा और इनका जो है वो दिल से एक दूसरे के साथ प्यार है वही जबरदस्त
The story of this restaurant, the restaurant man says. Since 1996, Tandoor Indian restaurants have been culinary beacons in Vietnam with enchanting locations in Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi. Our expert Indian culinary team brings the essence of Indian gastronomy to life, grinding fresh spices in-house and using high-quality local produce. We offer a diverse range of mouth-watering dishes, including non-vegetarian, vegetarian, vegan, and halal options. Beyond dine-in, we provide Indian food, delivering catering services. Tandoor is proud to be the first choice. Authentic Indian cuisine in Vietnam, a Pakistani and Punjab favorite. Minced lamb is mixed with onions, chilies, and Tandoor's unique blend of spices. Here is a wide variety of Pakistani and Indian foods. meals. Believe me, we are really enjoying this food. The food is very tasty and delicious. So, we just wrapped up an amazing dinner at Tandoor. The food was fantastic, and we had a great time catching up. But, sadly, Syed had to leave right after dinner. He was heading to another city in Vietnam and didn't have much time left. We didn't get to hang out for long, but I'm glad we made the most of the time we had. It's always tough when you don't have enough time with close friends, especially when they're off on new adventures. But that's the life of a traveler, right? Safe travels, Syed. Hopefully, we'll catch up again. Soon, maybe in another city, another country. Who knows? And now, it's just we heading back toward the hostel. It's been a great night, good food, good company, and of course, the energy of Ho Chi Minh City never disappoints. You know, there's something about these quiet walks after a busy night that just lets you soak in the vibe of the city. You get to think about the day, the moments you've shared, and just enjoy surroundings. All right, I'm almost back at the hostel now. Time to rest up for tomorrow. Another day, another adventure in Vietnam. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jayan Studio. Drop a comment below and let me know where you think I should explore next in Vietnam. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and keep exploring. See you soon.